Hi everyone, well, this is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Ethereum once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, so right now Ethereum is doing really well. It's really bullish, to be honest with you. I think what it's doing is slowing down. It's slowing down, allowing the EMAs to creep up a bit, especially on the weekly. If you take a look on the weekly, you're very overextended from EMAs, and you can see before, like when you come up, you get overextended. You slow down, allow the EMAs to creep and catch up with you. You know, pretty much like this break here, we'll come up from this correction and we've gone sideways like that, creating some kind of horizontal, got the breakout continuation, very much like what you're doing now. You know, you are creating some kind of horizontal. I mean, this was mega bullish here for Ethereum. Bounced off his key level support, see you later. You come up, you've hit a level of resistance, which I will show you in a moment. But you know, it's good. You do want to see it slow down, because if it doesn't, it starts to take off, it crashes harder. Okay, so the fact that it's consolidating now is really good for Ethereum. Okay, so I think we've got a technical target off this impulsive wave, which we are forming right now. Okay, for Ethereum, you are looking at the 1618. You are looking at a 7,984 Ethereum price tag. Let me just move that down to get that knob on. Okay, so that's what you're looking at, 7,851 price tag for Ethereum based off this next impulsive wave which you're forming right now. Okay, so with that, you've equally got a larger impulsive wave based off fibs. I don't know if I've shown you before, but from there to there, you're looking at a technical target right now for Ethereum of around about, which ties up with a impulsive wave up, to be honest with you. Our technical target is $8,420 just there. Okay, now that is a technical target of this impulsive wave which we're going through right now. I mean, you've already broken the high, which gives you confidence of the fact that you're on your way. But like any time frame, you come back for support, for continuation, and it's when you start losing that support that you're reversing the trend and you're invalidating the technical target that you're in. So right now, regardless of the rollback, the consolidation, you are in a technical target 2 to the upside. Basically, 1 is already confirmed, which is this one here, the 1618, which is 8420. You're in that technical target unless you lose this high. Okay, if you come down and you lose 1438, you are no longer in that technical target. Okay, now equally on this time frame here as well for Ethereum, you are not quite in this technical target yet until you break this high at 4386. You are then in another technical target to the 1618 of this impulsive wave to 7851. Okay, and if you're just looking for a confirmation trade, wait for the break of that high, because you are looking at a further appreciation of around about 8% long up on Ethereum, and with that you will get that continuation up to the top end of 8k there, which would be further appreciation obviously. So at the minute, look, you're caught between support and resistance. You're consolidating, you're not losing support and you're not breaking resistance. There is a continuation pattern that's forming on the daily time frame here for Ethereum. So if we take a look at this, everything that Ethereum's done so far has been fruitful. It's all coming into play. It's beautiful. Okay, right now you are resting on 0618 as support, so that's good, but you have ran into a level of resistance, which is this previous level of support just there. Okay, so with this you are actually forming some kind of horizontal look. So I would anticipate that a break is imminent, and I'm seeing this horizontal come into play on quite a lot of projects, not just Ethereum, that you're coming into some kind of apex where you're going to get a breakout. You know, Bitcoin's doing it, XRP's doing it, VeChain's doing it. You're getting a lot of projects that are coming up into an horizontal or coming down into a descending, or whatever kind of horizontal it is. You know, whether it's a complete horizontal triangle where you have levels of resistance coming down on you and you have levels of support coming up on you. Basically, you're coming into the apex. That's what I'm trying to say. And if you lose support, you've got a technical target to the downside, and if you break resistance, you've got a technical target to the upside. And I'll show you that technical target. Okay, so it's from there to there. Now you lose support here, you are looking at a dump and potentially coming down to this 050 as a test of support at around about $2,739. So that would be a dump of around about 12% for Ethereum. Now if you break the resistance here, and this resistance is this, I can give you the resistance of this because this is static. Okay, that's a horizontal level of resistance. I can't give you the support because obviously you're coming close to the apex and you can see it's changing because it's an ascending level of support. Okay, but if you know, straight off the bat, if you start to see Ethereum lose a 20 on the daily, that in itself is a bit of a precursor that you're rolling out a level of support. Okay, because you're losing the daily 20 EMA. At the minute, it's propping you. Look, you're coming up, you're falling back into its support, you're coming up resistance. What you're doing, you're falling back into its support, resistance, falling back into its support. So the 20 is, you're adhering to it. So if you continue to adhere to it, it's going to push you in closer towards its apex. Okay, where a decision will be made. Are you going to break this level of resistance and come up, or are you going to lose the 20 EMA and fall out of this horizontal and have a correction down potentially to the 050, which is a technical target, or even just a little bit higher than that of the 55 EMA on the daily time frame. Okay, personally, you know, not financial advice, but if you do see a correction in the market, come straight to your charts on Ethereum and put some cheeky bids on the daily 55 EMA, which currently sits at 2828. Okay, 2828. So that's Ethereum. Your technical target to the upside, if you break this level of resistance, which is 33333, look at that. Okay, if you start to close above that, you know, you're looking at a 3715, and with that you're breaking above the 786, and I would imagine you're getting continuation here, and you're going to be looking at some kind of breakout for Ethereum coming up to test this high. And like I said to you, you break that high, back test for support, you're looking at continuation, you're looking at a 7,851 price tag for Ethereum, and also equally a larger price prediction that we laid down many moons ago. I mean, I was able to lay down that forecast down here. Okay, so you've got that buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid way down there at $209, I believe it was. Got that signal, boom, see you later, it's on its way, isn't it? So yeah, it's Ethereum, it's looking good, providing you don't break down. And even if you do have a breakdown, I want to reassure you that it's still perfectly healthy, because not only would you be coming down to the 20 EMA on the daily time frame, you would equally coming down to the 55 on the weekly time frame, sorry. You would equally be coming down to the 55 on the daily, which is absolutely golden. It's golden because you can see that any time you come up and you start these new waves up, you always fall back to the 55 for support. Look, come up, overextended, support, come up, overextended, support. It's absolutely golden, you know, because you are in a bullish cross. You're in a buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid, which was formed just here on the 1st of August, which are to give you, okay, and you can see overextended, come back to support, overextended, come back to support, lose the 20, where you're going to get support off the 55. Ethereum is really bullish. You know, you're broken above all key levels of resistance here, but it's consolidating, looking for the next leg up, in my opinion. That's Ethereum. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another Ethereum update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.